Are you struggling with IELTS listening? Struggling with Section 4? You're not alone. Many students find it challenging, especially the academic lecture. Let's simplify some effective strategies for mastering this section. Prepare yourself to take notes like a pro and boost your score significantly. First, familiarize yourself with the lecture format. You'll hear only one speaker. Understanding their accents and tone aids comprehension. Second, actively listen for key points. Lecturers often emphasize main ideas. Focus your attention on the first sentence of each paragraph. Third, develop your note-taking skills. Use abbreviations and symbols. This helps you capture more information quickly. Fourth, practice predicting content. Listen for introductory phrases like "today, I will discuss." This lets you anticipate what comes next. Now, let's bring this to life with a practical example. Imagine a lecture about climate change. The lecturer begins by defining the term. You'll want to jot down their definition, and any statistics provided. Listen for supporting details like causes and effects as they elaborate. Highlight any examples given, they often serve as quiz material later. In summary, focus on lecture formats, key points, effective note-taking, and predictions. These strategies will help you navigate IELTS listening with confidence. For more tips and resources, check out Transform Academy course. The link is given in the description box below. Like and share this video with friends who need help too. Let's ace that IELTS together.